I'm excited to tell you about the ITAM IT Security Workshop. You've probably heard of the relentless cyber attacks on organizations, which seem to be getting worse. We spend more money, assign more people, and buy more tools, yet the attacks persist and are increasing. ITAM is typically relegated to an inventory function. And here is where the misunderstanding occurs. You must implement most of the ITAM program to have an accurate inventory. IT asset inventory is not just about counting things. So what now? This workshop provides you with knowledge to take full advantage of the ITAM program to enable IT security to function at its highest levels. Oh, and by the way, the organization's investment in ITAM for IT security can also be leveraged to benefit other departments. You will receive a textbook describing the lifecycle phases of an asset and how these phases benefit IT security and other departments, along with a narrated presentation. You will also receive a spreadsheet mapping the 37 components of the ITAM program to the 153 SIS security controls, resulting in over 400 ways the ITAM program supports these security controls. The second release maps the 37 ITAM program components to NIST, the United States National Institute of Standards and Technology's cybersecurity frameworks, 23 functions, and 108 categories, resulting in over 300 ways the ITAM program supports NIST's framework. So the evidence is clear. Two of the most respected cybersecurity frameworks in the world are significantly supported by ITAM. I would even go so far as to say that this mapping proves that ITAM is the foundation for cybersecurity programs. Finally, upon passing a short quiz, you will receive a certificate of completion. We've kept the price point for this workshop low to reach as many IT asset managers, IT security professionals, IT professionals, and IT managers as possible. We believe the collaboration between these groups can be significantly strengthened through a common understanding of how ITAM can strengthen an organization's IT security program. For more information, please visit our website, email us, or give us a call.